have already started the chapter Carbon and its compounds. Today we are having a detailed study on the various types of compounds depending on the type of bond present in it. Have you heard what is an organic compound? Organic compounds are the compounds that contains the elements mainly carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, etc. In this chapter, we are mainly concentrating on hydrocarbons. What are hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons are compounds that contains only hydrogen and carbon. We studied that carbon atoms share electrons to form covalent bonds. Students, you have already studied what is a covalent bond. Depending on the type of bond present, hydrocarbons are mainly divided into two. They are saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. A hydrocarbon is an organic compound that contains only the elements hydrogen and carbon. In a saturated hydrocarbon, all the bonds are single bond. And unsaturated hydrocarbons are hydrocarbons that contains one or more double or triple bond. We can discuss some examples of saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Observe the first example. The name of the compound is methane. In that compound, you can see that one carbon atom is present surrounded with 4 hydrogen atoms. So when you see that, it is clear only single bond are present between each elements. Similarly, in the case of second example, that is ethane. In that compound also only single bonds are present. Such examples are coming under saturated hydrocarbon. Now look the third and fourth example. In that example, it is clear for you that a double bond is present between two carbon atom and surrounded by 4 hydrogen atom with single bond. The name of that compound is ethene. Fourth example, between the carbon compounds triple bond is present. So it is coming, these are coming under unsaturated hydrocarbons. You understood that hydrocarbons are of two types, saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Under saturated hydrocarbon, only compounds of single bond are present. Such hydrocarbons are called alkanes. That is, between the carbon and hydrogen only single bond are present. Under unsaturated hydrocarbon, two types are present. They are alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes means they are hydrocarbons having double bond between carbon atoms, and alkynes are hydrocarbons having triple bond between carbon atoms. So we can have a detailed study on the difference between alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. First we can study what is an alkane. The simplest hydrocarbons form a series of compounds known as alkanes. These all consist of carbon and hydrogen only, and every carbon has 4 single covalent bonds between them. Some examples are methane, ethane, propane, butane, etc. Second type is alkene. Alkenes are hydrocarbons that have a double bond between any two carbon atoms. Some examples of alkenes are ethene, propene, butene, etc. Second type of unsaturated hydrocarbon is alkynes. Alkynes are hydrocarbons which are organic chemical compounds containing carbon and hydrogen atoms which are recognized as alkenes in the presence of triple bond. An example for an alkyne is ethine, which consists of a triple bond between two carbon atoms. So we can conclude that alkenes has a double bond and alkyne has a triple bond between two carbon atoms. Alkenes and alkynes are more reactive than alkanes because of the double and triple bond present between them.